Hi, I'm Chris Shaffrey. I'm the Chief of Spine Surgery and Spine Care at Duke University. I was asked to make a comment about how societal involvement is important for career development and for satisfaction in the course of a spine surgeon's career. And I will tell you, one of the most fruitful things that I had done was early in my academic career, I became a member of several spine study groups that were sponsored by Medtronic, including the Spine Deformity and Spine Oncology Study Group. And it allowed me to meet colleagues which I have been friends with for years and years. It helped tremendously as far as academic pursuits, papers, presentations, and other activities. I do feel that being involved early in your career does a lot of things. I think it increases your satisfaction by meeting colleagues and peers, and it allows you to commiserate with people for both your successes and failures. I think that it gives satisfaction to go and contribute to these organizations to show that you're changing the field of spinal surgery. I think that for most neurosurgeons and younger orthopedic surgeons, the joint spine section, organizations like ISASS are really an easy entree to become involved. The AANS and Congress of Neurologic Surgeons is very important for younger neurosurgeons as well. And both the Scoliosis Research Society and the Cervical Spine Research Society have many opportunities to engage, to learn, to be involved in research and really improve our specialty. So I've got to tell you, for someone who's been involved in a number of different organizations, I think that this has probably given me more satisfaction than any other aspect of what I've done professionally, and I strongly encourage it. There we go. Oh, yeah, there we go. I like that they don't break and take it off.
And we'll see you next course.
We'll see you next course.